Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but we are also very close friends.
That's right. We want to help you learn English the natural way by listening to real conversations between friends.
If you like our videos, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow and helps other students find us.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about the things we do for fun. We are talking about hobbies. So, Bella, we work a lot, we teach English, we grade papers, and we record these videos. But life isn't just about work, right?
Definitely not. We need hobbies to keep our minds happy. For our listeners who are beginners, a hobby is an activity you do in your free time because you enjoy it.
Exactly. It's not for money, it's for joy. Bella, what is your favorite hobby these days?
Well, recently I have started gardening. I have many small plants on my balcony.
Gardening. That sounds very peaceful. But wait, didn't you once tell me that you were bad with plants?
Yes, in the past I forgot to water them, but now I am much better. I grow herbs like basil and mint. I love the smell of fresh leaves when I wake up.
That is great. I think I have a brown thumb. That means every plant I touch turns brown and dies.
Oh no, Alex, you just need to be patient. What do you do for fun? I know you are a very active person.
You're right. My main hobby is hiking. I love going to the mountains on the weekend.
Hiking is a wonderful way to get exercise. Do you go alone?
Sometimes I go alone to enjoy the silence, but usually I go with a group of friends. It is nice to talk while we walk.
It seems like we have very different hobbies. Mine is quiet and creative, and yours is physical and outdoor.
That is the beauty of hobbies. There is something for everyone. For example, some people love photography.
Oh, I love taking photos with my phone. Is that a hobby?
Of course. If you spend time trying to take a beautiful picture of a flower or a sunset, that is a hobby. Some people even buy big, expensive cameras.
I think I prefer indoor hobbies when it is raining, like baking.
Baking. Now that is a hobby I can get behind because I get to eat the results.
You always think about your stomach, Alex. Last Sunday, I baked a lemon cake. It was very delicious.
Why didn't you bring me a piece?
Because I ate it all. That is the problem with baking. It is too tasty.
Well, my physical hobby helps me burn calories. When I hike, I walk for 4 or 5 hours.
That sounds like a lot of work. Do you ever get lost in the mountains?
Only once. I took the wrong path and ended up near a small lake, but it was so beautiful that I wasn't even hungry. I just took a rest and looked at the water. Some hobbies are about learning a new skill. For instance, I know you are learning to play the guitar, right?
Yes, I am, but I'm still a beginner. My fingers hurt a little bit from the strings.
That is very common. For our listeners, a string is the thin wire on a guitar that makes the sound.
It is difficult, but it is very satisfying when I can play a whole song. Right now, I can play Happy Birthday.
That is a great start. Maybe you can play it for me on my next birthday.
I will try. What about you, Alex? Are you learning anything new?
Actually, I'm learning to cook better. I usually just eat simple things like pasta, but now I'm trying to make more difficult dishes like curry or roast chicken.
Wow, teacher Alex is becoming a chef.
Not a chef yet. Last week, I put too much salt in the soup. It was like drinking ocean water.
Oh no, Alex. Well, that is part of the hobby. You learn from your mistakes.
Bella, we should tell our students that learning English can be a hobby too.
I agree. If you enjoy watching English movies or listening to English music, it doesn't feel like studying. It feels like a hobby.
Exactly. Many of our listeners are here on Ready Talk because they enjoy practicing.
If you are a beginner, you can try reading as a hobby. Start with simple books or even comic books.
Or watching travel videos. You can learn about different countries and hear the English language at the same time.
Another great hobby is gaming. Many video games are in English. You can play with people from all over the world and talk to them.
I have a friend who learned English just by playing games online. He didn't go to school, he just talked to his teammates.
That is amazing. It shows that when you are having fun, your brain learns much faster.
Do you collect anything, Bella? Some people have a hobby of collecting.
When I was a child, I collected stickers. I had a big book full of them. But now, I don't really collect anything. What about you?
I collect vinyl records. You know, the big black discs that play music?
Oh, those are very cool. They have a very warm sound.
Yes, I love going to old music shops to find hidden treasures. It's like a giant puzzle.
Some people collect stamps or old coins. It's like owning a little piece of history.
Exactly. Hobbies don't always have to be active. Sometimes they're just about appreciating beautiful or interesting objects. You know, Bella, I'm glad we have hobbies. If we only talked about English grammar all day, we would be very boring people.
Speak for yourself, Alex. I think the past perfect tense is very exciting.
See, this is why you need your garden. It keeps you sane.
And you need your hiking, otherwise you would have too much energy and you would talk even faster than you do now.
Hey, I don't talk that fast.
Only when you're excited about a new mountain you climbed.
Well, I am excited. Next week, I'm going to climb Blue Peak. It is very high.
Please be careful and take a map this time. I don't want to have to come and find you.
Don't worry, I have a GPS on my phone now. I'm a high-tech hiker.
For people who don't have a hobby yet, how can they choose one?
I think you should think about what you loved doing when you were a child. Did you like drawing? Did you like running?
That's a good tip. Also, don't be afraid to try something and quit if you don't like it.
Right. I tried knitting once. I made a scarf, but it was 3 meters long and very ugly. So I stopped.
At least you tried. It's all about the experience.
And it's about the people you meet. Many hobbies have clubs or groups where you can make new friends.
Like our Ready Talk community, we are a group of people who love English.
Well, Bella, I think it's time for me to go. I have a mountain to prepare for.
And I have some basil plants that are very thirsty.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation about hobbies today. We hope you learned some new words and felt comfortable listening to us.
What about you? Do you have a favorite hobby? Do you like to bake, to paint, or to play sports?
Please let us know in the comments. We love reading your stories. It's a great way for you to practice your English.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. It really helps our channel reach more students around the world.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to Ready Talk. We have many more conversations ready for you.
Until then, have fun with your hobbies and keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.